With Gemini 1.5 Pro public release that is available for everyone and it's available for free, you can also analyze images. I'm Tom D from toughcoding.net, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use it. Here we have a menu, image. Click on image and you can upload image from your computer. I have a image selfie. Let's upload it and see what will be the results. Okay, enter here. Model is trying to answer. It's 258 tokens. This man in the image is wearing headphones and smiling. He has brown hair and blue eyes. He's wearing a gray hoodie. Okay. What about white surrounding? Let's see if it recognizes this surrounding I added. The background is white. Okay, there's no white background, it's PNG and this is transparent. There's no white background, but okay, it's a white effect of stroke that's around face, and okay, fine. So in this way you can upload the image and talk about the image. See you in the next video. Bye.